Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to be doing a page today together that we have never done before. So I want you to be a really good listener as we go through our worksheet. The first section at the top says, how many est words can you make with these letters? You will see here we have the ending of est. So we are going to write our words with the ending est. Our first word we're going to make is rest. Please write the word rest for me on the line. Rest. The next word we're going to make is vest. 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 The next word we're going to make starts with the letter B. Est. Best. And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. Our next word has the G-U beginning. Est. Guest. I want you to please pause the video and finish writing all of the words with our ending est. So we have a W, est, t, est, n, est, and z, est. And you'll write them on the remaining lines. Okay, way to go. You did great. Our next section says circle the ET words. So we are going to circle words with ET. So let's read sentence number 1. The girl is wet. I'm going to circle wet because that ends in ET, et. Number 2 says, I took my dog to the vet. I'm going to circle vet because vet ends in ET. Sentence number 3 says, she likes to pet her cat. Can you find the word that ends in ET, et? That's right, it's the word pet. Number 4 says, Dad ran with the net. On sentence 4, can you find the word that ends in et? There it is. Et, net. And our very last sentence is, the jet was black. Please find the word that ends in et. Way to go, boys and girls. Okay, the next instructions that it wants us to do is then number the pictures to match the sentences. So we are now going to use our sentences and match them with the picture. So sentence 1 says, the girl is wet. Can you find a picture of the girl that is wet? And you're going to write a number 1 next to it because that is sentence 1. Sentence 2 says, I took my dog to the vet. Which sentence matches the picture? Sentence number 3 says, she likes to pet her cat. Very nice. Dad ran with the net. Which picture matches that sentence? I see a net, so it must be that one. The jet was black. And put a 5 next to the jet. Awesome. Okay, our next instructions say, take the student to school by coloring the path of est and et words. So please take out any color crayon that you'd like, and we are going to help this girl, the student, get to the school by coloring a path of est and et words. All right, here she goes. Map, head, thin, sit, let, bell. So I see vet. Then I see let. Oh, diagonal, we have vest. We have another est right there. Test. Oh, diagonal again, we have an et word, bet. Then we have best. Diagonal up, we have rest. Right here, diagonal down, we have pet. Diagonal up, wet. And right next to wet, we have let, and that would lead her into school. Let's read all the words that we highlighted, starting with vet. Vet, let, vest, test, bet, best, rest, pet, wet, and let. Nicely done. All right, let's go to our very last section. It says, first read the words in the box. Let's read the words in the box, starting with vet. Vet, test, rest, let, best, pet. Then fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, here we go. The blank didn't blank me, blank the cat. The vet, I'm going to cross it off when I'm done, didn't let me pet the cat. Number 2 says, I did my blank on the blank. Then I had to blank. I did my best on the test. Then I had to rest. Awesome, way to go. Flip your paper over, and you will see that we're reviewing short E and short O. So you'll need your yellow crayon to color any words that end in ed, and L. Then you will take out a pink crayon and you'll color any words that end in ob, ought, op, awk. And your last crayon will be blue and you'll color any words that end in est or et. So right here, I see the word test. So I'm going to color that section blue because it ends in est. Then I see this word spot. Ought, it ends in ought, and that is a red. I'm going to color that section red. Then I see L, spell. I'm going to color that section yellow. All right, boys and girls, you did great today. Continue finishing the coloring picture and then move on to Lexia. Way to go.